Hello guys, welcome to Color Media once again. My name is Gulshan Shah. Friends, today we are going to discuss about Sikkim Manipal, a new notification which has been published which states that for Sikkim Manipal registration has been started. So the students who wanted to attend the counseling for Sikkim Manipal or the student, those who have a budget of approximately 40 to 45 lakh and wanted to take OBGY or medicine, they should apply for management quota of Sikkim Manipal. Now let me tell you one thing, for doing the registration for Sikkim Manipal, you will have to visit at its official website, which is www.smu.edu.in. So on this website, once you visit, you will have to do the registration. The registration last date is not yet published, as they are also waiting for the NMC guidelines to come and NMC schedule to come, and based on NMC schedule only it will be decided that what should be the last date of registration for Sikkim Manipal. Now let me tell you one thing, for Sikkim Manipal, actually the counseling of Sikkim Manipal happens separately. That means on its official website, this is the university for which you need not to do registration for any state or through All India quota or through NCC. There is a separate counseling happens for Sikkim Manipal, and for that only its official website is given, which is www.smu.edu.in. So you can do the registration. While doing the registration, you will have to pay the amount of rupees 500 rupees, which is a nominal amount for doing the registration. Now let me tell you one thing, non-domicile students can also apply for Sikkim Manipal. There are two types of seats. First one is management quota seat, and second one is general category. General category means under general category, the students who have done their MBBS from Sikkim Manipal or the students having a domicile of Sikkim, they are only eligible, whereas the student who does not have any of these will be eligible for the management quota seats. Now there is a difference in fee structure between the two. For the general category, the fee structure is approximately 10 lakhs per annum, whereas the management quota fees is approximately 45 lakhs per annum for OBGY and 41 lakh per annum for the this one medicine. So as I told you that you can do the registration if you want to attend the counseling. Obviously the last date is not yet published. If you have a budget of 41 to 45 lakhs, you can apply for that. To know about your chances on your position at your rank, you can visit our official website, which is www.careermedia.ai. After visiting, once you do the registration, you will able to navigate through the website where you can get college predictor, and through that college predictor option you would able to know that what are your chances, which are the colleges where you can get your desirable seat, and what would be the fee structure, stipend, bond. These are the details. It would come over there once you use that college prediction. Whereas if you wanted to know what are the other places you can get, which branches you can get, you can use. You can just do the registration on Career Media official website and navigate through the website. Thank you so much.